The package has been delivered. Boom. Classic, just cheap cheese that I bought from my parents. I mean, I stole them from my parents' house. Oh yeah, make sure it doesn't stick. Boom, this is what we're using. It might seem like a lot, but boom. You trap it in between. Oh, I just touched the pan. Just burnt my hand. Add a little bit of garlic. Get in between the sandwich. That's parsley. Then, boom. Set it up so it's looking right at it. Well, hopefully this is good. Look at that. Golden. Just a cheap. That looks good. Oh my god. This is just stolen from my parents. Look at that. Just. Look at that. See? Oh my god. The crushed red pepper's coming in now. Inside of it. This is just the cheap version. Alright. This is the healthy version of the grilled cheese. I got cheddar, keto, Gouda, and tomato soup can. I'm gonna heat up the pan. Oh no. It's not gonna turn into slices. There we go. Boom, that's one. I gotta save some for the fancy one tomorrow. The spices. Garlic. I like making mine with Italian spices and herbs. Pour out the oh, fuck. Holy moly. That's way too hot, dude. Boom. Boom. It's a little thick, but I guess it's healthy because it's keto bread. I don't know. Alright, here we go. I gotta add some like milk and stuff to it. Pouring some milk in the tomato soup. Alright, here we go. I'm gonna see how this works out. I'm gonna cook slowly this time. I bought myself some stuff for Christmas, basically. Some cooking stuff. I think I kind of want to buy a GoPro, strap it on my head for these videos. It'd be so much easier instead of switching back and forth between everything. I feel like I could just get in the zone. If I had like a camera plus like GoPro and stuff, but maybe if it blows up a little bit, then I'll start spending some money. Time for the flip. Let's see. Oy. Get under there. Boom. Alright, its cheese was cut so thick that I had to wait a while for it to melt. She's leaking. Alright, they're both done, and it's time to set up the plate. I'm gonna do that. And then, you know what I gotta do here. Let it drip from up high, so it splatters more. Boom. They're golden. They're sort of healthy. Kinda, not really. The only healthy thing is keto bread, really, but gotta get this whole plate. The presentation is gonna be wild. Boom. How's she looking? One final touch. Boom. That right there is a semi-healthy tomato and grilled cheese with keto bread. Alright, there we go. Now you can probably see it a little bit better. Look at this. Look at that. Oh my lord. It's getting me wet. Ladies, I'm single. I'm single. The keto bread is extra crispy. The herbs give it like all the flavor. You get like those chunks of like the sharp cheddar with the gooey Gouda melting. The tomato sauce with milk and all the spices in it. I'm eating this kind of stuff on a cut too. I'm cutting my weight. You can eat almost anything and lose weight as long as you're not going over your daily calories. Dude, that's so good. I can't take it. That's like, I say that's an 8.6 out of 10 on grilled cheese level. Yeah. Alright, it's brioche buns, Italian seasoning, garlic, sharp cheddar, and Gouda. And I was lazy and I was feeling super hungry at nighttime, so instead of cooking this tomorrow, I'm doing it right now. And it turned out pretty garbage, but I'm gonna devour it. This cut is diabolical, bro. It's like the Gordon Ramsay grilled cheese.